watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Alright guys, so today is our Super Bowl wings. This all came from one of our viewers. His name is Arthur. He joined me on the live show every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. He told me the best way to make wings is to steam them first, then grill. So we're going to try it out. Today, an experiment. We got plenty of wings. We're going to steam first right in here, then go outside and grill them. Alright? So let's try out this experiment and see, is this the best way to make wings? Alright guys, we got the Ninja Foodie. We're going to first, we already put in some water. So there's about a cup of water in here. We're going to put in our steamer basket that came with the Foodie. Then we're going to start throwing some wings in. I think we're only going to do like 20. So we'll drop them in here to get them steamed. Okay, we got all 20 wings in here. So we're not doing, notice we're not doing any seasoning yet. That's going to go on after we steam them. Okay, here we go. Wings are in. Close it with a pressure cooker lid. Make sure the vent's closed. There we go. Remember the water always drips from the lid. Shake it back in. Okay, so the whole goal is this. The whole goal is the steam makes it tender. The grill outside will give it an outer crust, and it should be flawless. We haven't seasoned these yet, but we will. Tim, you want to put silicone down or not?
No.
Okay. Okay, so let's pull all the wings out. We're going to give this a good seasoning. Alright, so I think these look good. So we're going to flip them, season them again, and I'll meet you outside. Alright, so we're just going to hit them real hard on the grill. And it's to finish them up. And we'll bring them in and take a look at them. Thank you, Tammy, for your help. It's time to find out if Arthur was correct. This looks beautiful. You can put whatever sauce you want on. I can't do sauce, so I don't. You can rub anything you want on it. Put whatever you want on these. It's the process of steaming first, then flavor seasoning, then grilling, okay? Let's give this a try and see if it's any good. Okay, so I've been staring this one down like crazy. This one right here. Let's give it a try. Good flavor. I think Arthur's on to something. Perfectly cooked, perfectly tender, perfectly crispy. So good. Alright, well, I'm going to have dinner right here. That's it. See you guys in the next episode when we show you something else. An experiment, a recipe roulette. You never know. Alright? I love you guys.